With a great day, but so far we've had no rain. The main Aira Force car park is just down there, but this is the best place I think to park. We've got a nice little gentle walk across the road, and it's a really nice walk down there, not too far, about a mile, and then a mile back up again. So that's a walk we're going to be doing today. We are stopping just down the road, down at the inn on the lake. Our second honeymoon. Our first honeymoon, we never had a first one. We're literally three and a half miles away from the hotel. If you want a very local little day out, a great place is Aira Force. There's a National Trust car park just across the road there, and then we'll cross the road, follow on this path, and just down there will be what I always call High Force. From there we can walk down about 3/4 of a mile and see the main attraction, which is Aira Force. So there's Mrs. Metalman waiting for us, and here comes the sun. I knew if I wore my sunglasses long enough it would eventually come out. First time in 2 days we've seen it, mate. Oh, isn't that nice? Bit of mint sauce, absolutely gorgeous. I'll get wrong now with Mrs. Metalman. What a lovely sight there. Place fell, Hull's water. Mrs. Metalman's bringing vodka and lime. It's got a one-way system in place. Oh well. It gives us a proper circle, where previously we've all just walked straight down there to Aira Force, and then we'll just come back on ourselves. Wait a minute. What's that red rock? So that's been a heck of a lot of rain over the last few days. Hence the waterproofs, just in case. We've had none today so far. Look. Clouds looking quite threatening there. It looks like a bit of sun over there. Unfortunately, we're not over there. Like a mountain gazelle. Oop. I was just about to say like a mountain gazelle going down there. Wait a minute. So the path is a bit muddy coming down here. Mrs. Metalman's got her sketchers on. Not that keen on getting them too muddied up. He's going the circular route round. Either way, down there's the bridge that overlooks Aira Force. But we'll come back and we will do a circular walk back up there, which is much better, to be quite honest. You're next to the river all the time, so you see all the little falls. I think she's enjoying herself. The old saying, happy wife, happy life. Well, this is all going down, and we're hitting Aira Force, or the top of Aira Force there at the bridge. That's the top of Aira Force there. So all the way down there. So that's the proper name of the falls at the top. Now, unfortunately, we cannot get down to the bottom. And eventually the sun's come out. Well, it had come out, it's gone back in again. So if you've got a family and a bit of a picnic, there's plenty of places to come down and stop. Maybe it's even on a hot day. Have a bit of a dip in the water as well. clouds still threatening. Sun's still trying its hardest to get out. We'll be heading back to the hotel there now. Feed up for a bit, a couple of drinks, and then get ready for our evening meal tonight. But as always, thank you very much for watching. I always do appreciate it. And you.